Tama.
Oh, wait lang. What's this?
Ito talaga yung gusto kong kainin eh.
Ito?
Ito ko may ito. Hindi ko alam na may ganito pala. Gugaw ba? Gusto kong gugaw. Uy, sinipit siya mo.
You finish this and you can eat that one.
What's that, Kuya? Is that yours?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hot.
Oh, I love that.
What's this?
This food
Chicken.
ready.
Chicken with beef and rice.
Put it back, put it back, put it back.
Chicken beef. It's just like the plate we had.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, omelette.
Wait, it's peeling. Those are for Halil and those are for me.
Well, you eat that first, it's still hot.
That hot?
No.
Ooh. Does it look like a bun? Doesn't it look like a bun? It's chocolate.
Chicken yan ka, yung sabaw.
Try it, Halil.
Bite. Okay.
It look.
Sit down. Gusto ka dito ko yun. Wow. Sarap naman ang kain ng dalawang ganyan. Ito bumili ng ganyan. Sakta talaga eh.
Dahil, init pa. Kailangan yung
Okay, let's pray.
Give me praise to receive this food, Lord. Sit down properly, kuya.
Wala binigay na sauce?
What? Balik mo lang. Tara mo lang.
It's chocolate.
Yeah, it is.
I think this will take. I think this will take 5 bites. One Halil. One.
Ang sayang naman yun.
This. And this. She doesn't like food that's She thinks rice is unhealthy. She doesn't like any food that's unhealthy. She thinks it's unhealthy.
She just doesn't like to eat.
Hey, it's not so bad at all.
Dagdagan mo pa nga, ma. Dagdagan pa tubig. Kunti lang tubig natin. Halos punuin mo.
Halos punuin? Lagi mo doon, baka maano ni Halil. Standing ovation tayo pa. Ito pa. Ito yung tado.
Ayoko. Ayoko. Mamaya,
Hindi
ito
lang
ako.
ito sa-
Ayoko nga. Mainit ito. Mainit. What's that?
Ito, kuya.
Ada. Bantay mo nga itong isa man. Buwan ko lang si Nathan. Yung
Still hot? May kutsara pa doon. Wala na. Wala na.
nakakahalil eh.
Hindi na lang ako.
Ito.
Hindi na lang ako.
Hindi na. Tapos makakasaya pa eh.
Ito, wala pa itong...
Akin, ito nga sa akin eh. Galil yung nangagaw eh. Kita mo, ganyan lang siya. Hindi na gusto kumakain.
Almost got choking.
Kasi yung mga beef dun siya.
It's not hot.
Add some water to it.
Not much anymore. It's not hot nga.
Ano ba?
This one is hot.
Blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it. If you blow it, that means you're gonna give it to me. Just blow it, blow it, blow it, blow it.
Even if I blow it, it will not get cold. It's still hot.
I want some.
Later when it gets cold. For now, while you're waiting.
Just add some water to it.
Okay.
Just add some cold water.
The taste will gone. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Don't worry, I can put water.
Mga kanin ba? Bata ay, hindi mo ka. Lipat kaya tayo palabas.
Kaya nga.
Doon tayo.
Tayo?
Nandun na, bakante na.